Hello, come back. I forgot to say something, and it's something quite important. You know, we're making things for Mother's Day. It occurred to me that not everybody does have a mum, and you will have, if you're one of these people, you probably have a really nice auntie, a really nice granny, a really nice carer, somebody who's female and in your life who plays an important part in your life. So just because they're not actually mum, they would love this. They would love it. They'd be so delighted to get something from you on Mother's Day. So you go ahead and do it. I also realise that some of you may be lucky enough to have more than one mum. Lucky you. But you better get cracking. So you've got twice as much work to do, if not more. Okay? So you take care. I was going to say take it easy. You can't take it easy. You've got too much to do. Okay? And I'll see you soon. And next time, I think we're going to make a game. I think we're going to make a different version of Noughts and Crosses. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay, take care everybody. Bye.